To add a page on Prestashop, start by typing Prestashop into your web browser's search bar. Then click on the first option that appears, which is press_the_shop.com. You will be given the choice to use the demo version or download and install the free or paid version of Prestashop to your device. Once you have access to the platform, you will see the dashboard, which includes sections such as orders, catalog, customers, customer service, and stats, as well as modules for design, shipping, payment, and marketing. To add a page, go to the Design section and click on the arrow to expand the menu. Then select Pages. In the Pages section, you will see options to add a new page, category, or customize existing pages. Click on Add New Page and select a page category, such as Home. Then enter a title, SEO Preview, Meta Title, Meta Description, Meta Keywords, and Friendly URL. You can also add page content and save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily add a new page on Prestashop.